Hello bulls, hello bears, welcome to another video of Stock Rumors, the only YouTube channel that will make you a professional trader for free. The only, the one, the best Stock Rumors. My name is Andy and you're here because you want to make money, baby. You want to make money. That's what we're all about here in Stock Rumors. So, if you haven't done so, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and get your notepad ready because we are going to learn. Okay, this is another Q&A. Here we're gonna learn. Now the first question that I have here for today is, what makes you so different than the other instructors? What makes me so different than other instructors? Well, I don't really analyze companies, okay? Now, I will teach you how to analyze those companies, okay? I will not tell you what to buy. I will teach you how to buy or how to make the proper decision when it comes to buy shares. Okay, so that's what makes me different here. I teach a philosophy, this is psychology. Okay, now if I were to make videos about a certain company and I say, well, I think you should buy Tesla today because Tesla is around 408 and I believe in the next couple of months it's gonna go up to 475. I could make videos like that and tell you why I think that the company will or will not go up. But in a year from now, that information will be irrelevant. Why? Because the price will be totally different than what it is today. Maybe the price is $3,000 or $65, who knows? So you have to decide what type of information you want to study. Here, I make the type of videos that in 20 years from now, you can sit and listen to this information and you will gather a lot of information, okay? The learning curve for you to become a professional and successful trader will be cut down to more than half just by listening to the things I say. You could also pay attention to just the audio, okay? You just listen to the audio. You don't even need to pay attention to myself, okay? Maybe you don't like the way I look, the way I talk, the way whatever, right? The way I edit, the way this video looks. Maybe you don't like that, but listen to the things I say. That's what makes me different. Another question here is, how many monitors should you use? That's an interesting question, right? Now, it looks cool, though. It looks really cool for me to take a picture and I have 20 monitors behind me, right? And I say, well, I'm here analyzing and making money. It looks cool though. And just allow me to say this, okay? Me personally, I think I only need one monitor. And that could also be my smartphone. That's me. One monitor for me is perfect. I can filter better the amount of information I'm receiving and I can make better decisions focusing on one company, one time frame, just focus, okay? If you want to have 4 monitors, it's okay, all right? I personally use 2 monitors from time to time. I have also split a one wide angle monitor into 4 sections, right? So it's like if I have 4 monitors in one, I've done that too. But I will talk a little bit more about this, but you have to, okay? And it's like the next question. How do you pick good companies? Okay, and that's the bottom line. The bottom line is that you want to make money. If you're watching this video, I know exactly why you're watching this video. Okay, it's because you either lost money or you made enough money that convinced you that this is possible, right? That you can easily make 6 figures a year, and you're convinced, you have zero doubt in your mind that this is the way, right? So you want to make you or take profits in a reliable way, in a consistent way. So either you lost money, you want to recoup that money back, or you had an experience that changed your mind and you're looking for more information. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, but if this is the case, maybe I'm talking to you. All right, one monitor for me. If you want to have 4 and it works for you, perfectly fine. Okay, now how do you pick good companies? And this right here, my friend, is very, very, very important. This is like, okay, this is the $1 million question. How do I pick the company that's gonna make me the money, baby? Because that's what we want. We want more money in a consistent way. All right. So my suggestion, all right, my opinion, my humble opinion, you should trade only the companies that you know. Okay, trade what you know. Now, let me tell you this, even if this is the last thing that you want to learn from me, no one, and maybe there is one person in a remote office somewhere in somewhere in this planet, that he knows that probably maybe the market is going to open down on Monday. Maybe there is one person who has a master plan and that person knows. But for people like you and I, who can tell, for certain that the stock or the company or the entire stock market is going to go up or down tomorrow? No one really knows, right? No one knows the future. Okay, maybe one person is creating the event, but us, we don't know. Okay, so it's like the stock, the company, the price is either going to go up or down. Okay, you have 50-50 chance, okay? Because no one really knows what's going to happen. Is it global warming? Is it, a global event? Is it, fraud from a company? What is it? You don't really know what's going to happen on Monday, what they're going to say. So you have to, in reality, control your mentality, your discipline, your philosophy, your psychology. And that's what I teach. Okay? I can pick a random company right now. Any company. You suggest a company, I submit a limit order, boom, I execute a trade. If I make money, good, I'm gonna take profit right away, all right? Or I will at least monitor to see what's going on. If the price goes the other way and I'm losing money, it's not the market that dictates if I lose money or not. In reality, it's myself, because before you submit an order, you must know how much are you willing to lose. Okay, if it's otherwise it's just random. Otherwise you have no control. Okay, you understand that? So this I pay $100 for it. All right, I pay $100 for this lamp. I say I'm only willing to lose $10. Other than that, I will sell it and I will cut losses and that's it. I buy the lamp, price drops $10, I sell it. If I allow myself to lose more than that, then something is wrong with me. It's not the market. It's because the market is random. It's just the only thing I can control is my discipline. The only thing you can control is yourself. That's why I teach you things I teach. Discipline, patience, leave emotions aside, calculate. The calculator is the best app that you could ever use. Okay, that's my chart. Do you believe in charts? I can tell you no. I believe in calculators. Bam, I believe in math. I believe in my discipline. Either I make $100 today or I will lose $100 today. That's it, because I know I have the formula, okay, the ratio, the amount of money I'm willing to lose. Even if you learn this, you're already ahead, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I drop knowledge here, okay? I give knowledge here. And that will take me to the next question, and that is, how do you become better? Okay? And I will put everything in, I will frame everything, and you will learn a lot in every video I put up. How do you become better? Listen, you must be obsessed, okay? You gotta be a fanatic. You gotta think no other than the company that you're trading or the stock market, or that's how you become better, okay? And if that means listening over and over and over and over to the things I say, do it until it's second nature. I understand this might be a difficult subject, and maybe I'm not the most fluent speaker. Maybe you don't really understand what I'm saying because it's a little bit advanced, but you will do whatever it takes. Okay, hashtag whatever it takes, baby. You're gonna learn, you're gonna learn, you're gonna learn, you're gonna study, you're gonna study, you're gonna study, you're gonna study, you're gonna become a fanatic. There's no other way. I've done it to a point that I cannot sleep because all I think is about the company I'm trading. And in order for you to do that, in order for you to achieve that, I say don't diversify. I can tell you I've been doing this for years, and I only focus to like one or two companies at a time. I only use one monitor. I filter the information. I'm not, for example, if you, all you want to do is you want to eat, okay? You want to eat. You want more money. If you're going to fish, you don't go into the ocean, thinking, well, whatever I fish, that's okay. No. If you focus and you become an expert of fishing, I don't know what type of fish, salmon, bass, whatever. If you focus all your energy in studying that animal, that little beast, that creature, that and its environment, you will become an expert. Maybe all you do is okay, I will make a lot of money with octopus, with focus on one creature and you will eat. Maybe you can trade the one thing that you have for other things, and that's how you get variety. But focus the energy. Focus when there is focus, when you're not distracted by anything else, energy flows in a better motion. I told you, this is like a philosophy of the stock market. If you pay attention to the things I say, it's like you gotta let it flow. You gotta let it flow. Okay? So you want that energy, that positivity, that consistent income, take it easy. Focus on one company, and you could grab a newspaper, you could grab, nowadays it's better with your smartphone, but learn as much as you can about that company. Who's the CEO? When was it founded? How, what's the volatility? What's the all-time highs? Tesla was 502. That was the all-time high. 52. A week high. The lowest it was at $65 a year ago. The CEO. This is the next earnings report. This is how many quarters in a row they have reported profits, how many losses, how much debt they have, how much does it move when news come out. How does this stock react? Is it been proven by time? Does it offer dividends? How often do they, or how long have they been giving dividends? Do they pay dividends quarterly, monthly, yearly? Learn as much as you can. And it's like, I say it all the time. If I only want to trade Walmart, Target, study it. And every day look at it. It's gonna come to a point that when something happens, okay, you will know if it was an overreaction, if it was oversold, overbought. You will know without the need of using charts. Am I being clear enough? I studied a company so much that I got the charts in my mind. I know when was the reversal, where is support, where is resistance, but I can do it here. I use a calculator. If I buy 372 shares and they go up $3.06, how much money am I gonna make? Calculator. I'd rather use a calculator. I got all the facts of that company in my mind. I follow it closely. I know how it reacts. It's like a boxer. I already know the moves. Because I study that creature every day. Okay, so that's my suggestion. So how do you become better? Obsessed, baby. You're gonna read, focus that energy, and pay attention to like, don't allow yourself to be distracted, at least until you make a lot of money. How do you pick good companies? Focus on one or two companies, study them well, and I mean well. Know all the facts about it. Okay, if you want to buy a Ferrari and you don't know what year you want to buy, what model, if you don't know everything about the car before you make that much, of an investment, then I don't know what to tell you, man. That means you're not calculating the risk. So, do you watch the news and do you pay attention to the news? Good question, by the way. Good question. I don't do it as much as I used to. Okay, I used to pay attention to the news for everything. And again, that can distract you. That could take you out of balance. And it's not that I'm not aware of everything that's going on right now. I'm aware of almost everything. Okay, November 15th, 2020. I'm aware of the things going on. Okay, of politics, health, technology, economics. I'm aware, but I don't let it, influence me as much when I'm about to make a decision or a trade. I more like calculate the risk. I'm willing to lose $100 in this trade. These are the odds, and I'm looking to make $200 in this trade. Bam. Sometimes I buy individual shares instead of trading options, and sometimes I pick a company that doesn't have a lot of volatility, but it does move. Okay, so I can say, okay, I will buy 1,000 shares. It's a round number, 1,000 shares. So everything by times, 1,000, three zeros. If it goes up 3 cents, I'm gonna make this. If it drops 3 cents, I'm getting rid of it. Sometimes I operate in that fashion, in that way, but in the morning before the market opens, I know what's going on. I know if there is an IPO. So I pay attention to the news. Don't let it take control over you, because they're gonna use you. They're gonna take your money out of your pockets, and they're gonna drive you to bankruptcy if you don't filter the information that goes into your mind, though. How many monitors? I say I'm okay with one. I could probably split a widescreen monitor if that's your thing. You gotta be a fanatic about the stock market. You gotta study, you gotta read, you gotta understand. What's the best YouTube channel? Who dares to ask me that? What's the best YouTube channel that teaches stocks? Baby, I gotta say Stock Rumors. If you haven't subscribed yet to Stock Rumors, then you're missing out. Subscribe to Stock Rumors. Hit the bell for notifications so you are up to date with the discipline psychology of Stock Rumors. My name is Andy. Even if you're a bull or a bear, we're okay. My objective is to help you make money. I'm different than the competition. I'm a different product. I'm a different product, and actually I'm giving all my content for free now in 2020. So if you're not watching my videos, then you're not really learning the psychology of the trade. That means that you're not really using the internet the way you're supposed to in 2020. This is the future. It's like you got a big office in your pocket, baby. That's right. So I got all the tools I need in my pocket. I can trade stocks from anywhere. I can sell options. I can make, if I work, it's because I want to, right? Because I don't want to be bored, not being productive. But stock market, baby, this is the best thing. Back in the day, you watch movies, you talk to the old school traders. They had to call their broker, wait until that order was filled. Sometime at the time, the order executed, the price was totally different. Commission, not commission free, baby. This is a new world. If you're not into stocks, I don't know what to tell you. I teach here how to protect your investment, how to pay yourself first. Stock Rumors, thank you for watching. Bulls and Bears, I'll see you in the next one.